Hello everybody. So this is what I'm working with. I have this style, what I did from my last video. I think I'm gonna be doing some with foil, some not with foil. I don't know, this is just all a mess. This is all a mess that I'm doing. It's just, I already started and I just gotta continue. I did it a couple days ago and I put oil in my hair. I didn't do any heat like I said from the last video. I put in a braid and this is what I slept with for the past couple of days. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, and I had gotten a new brush, this new wet brush. It has bristles in it. I have the regular wet brush and the wet brush with bristles that I just got. It is so good, I'm telling you right now. I was ranting and raving about the Coconut Curls Aussie conditioner, and I actually got I saw that there was like a detangling milk thing, serum, whatever. And that worked beautifully on my kids' hair. I didn't use it on my hair yet because I just got it yesterday, but I was letting my hair relax for a second. This is how it is. I actually really like it. If I had to deal with it like this, it's not bad at all. I can totally deal with this. It's not the best, but it's better than just straight up regular plain color I had. I didn't trim my hair yet because I'm still doing the coloring process. So I was saying last time I was going to do the T14 Wella toner. I still have some of the 050 color additive. I might do 2 capfuls of that. So I have the T14 and I decided to get Lanza. I decided to try the product Lanza for hair coloring. I'm not going to get that till next week, and I'm going to be using that for my refresher that I'm going to do for my hair maybe next month or whatever, and use it for my mom. My mom wants me to do her hair, but I'm experimenting with mine first. She has really short hair. Okay, so these are the 2 brushes. This is the original one I had, the original wet brush, and this is the new one I got. It has the bristles in it. I really like this one. I've been using this one. And the Aussie conditioner and cream, I'm going to show you that after I rinse out the bleach out of my hair. Look how well this brushes through the hair. I'm going to brush my hair out first. I'm going to do 1.5 spoonfuls like I usually do. I'm telling you, this bleach smells so nice. And then we're gonna... Alright, so here we go. I want to do like that. Okay, I want to do some of the insides, and then I can't really see, but I'm gonna try to do 2 sides and then 1 in the middle. I don't have gloves. Okay, so I'm gonna paint the ends going up. Definitely want to saturate the ends because then I want to go up. I'll get the ends. Okay, so I'm going to do something like that, getting the ends and then feathering it up. It's just going to be whatever. It's going to be whatever. So I'm going to continue doing that throughout the hair. Okay, I'm done. Let's see how it's coming out. Oh, the ends are getting blonde. The ends are processing really well. See? The ends, like I wanted, are get into that blonde color. And it's gradient. See? I want to leave this in for another like 10 minutes. Because it's already pretty much blonde pressed. I want to get a little bit lighter and then I'll be back. I'll wash it and then I'll be right back. Alright, so my foils are falling out, but I wanted to show you how light, close this, how light it got. See how it's still dark over here? I wanted the bottom lighter. Actually, they're really, really light right now because, like I said, I pre-lightened them already. Like, I pre-lightened them before. This is just box color dye over it. So, it's processing well. I think it's almost done. Almost. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. We take them out of the foil. I wanted to get these bits on the corners brighter, which I did. Got brightened. Alright, looks great. Whatever, I'm almost done. I just wanted to show you what it looked like so far. Wow, my hair is getting weak. I think I should rinse this out. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. My hair is rinsed. I rinsed the bleach out. I mixed half of some conditioning, not stripping shampoo with purple shampoo together. I purple shampooed it, a mixture. And then I rinsed that out, conditioned it with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Coconut Curls conditioner. So smooth. And I just put the towel on it and I'm trying to soak up some of the moisture so I can start doing the toner. So let's see how it came out. Nice. Nice. So that's how the back's looking, I guess. This is a little bit orangey and it's not good. A little bit orangey. Wow, some of the parts are really light. The only thing I'm not liking is these side pieces that are orange because it's from my regrowth. So I don't know if I'm just gonna just let the toner do its job, or I don't want to bleach it again. I really don't. But if you know what, I'm just totally considering it now. Totally considering bleaching it. But then again, I'm not. I think I'm just gonna do the tone. So the next thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair and then do the toner. I'm scared. I'm scared to put toner on it. That's how damaged it is. I'm gonna do it anyways. Alright, so I put all the toner in and that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna leave this in for just 10 minutes because I'm totally scared. My hair is just fried. I'm so worried. I'm not even I'm worried. I'm pretty worried. I'm just gonna I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait, see how it turns out. After I rinse this toner out, I'm just gonna put conditioner in it and then I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner to match with it. Comb it out and let it put some oil. I don't even know if I'm gonna put some oil. I'm just gonna let it air dry and see what happens. Please wish me luck. Okay, I'm back. And I was looking at my photos that I put up on my phone to show me different styles of putting on the bleach, and I think I OD'd. I think I put too much bleach on my hair and I don't even know. It looks nice, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I did. I just went crazy. I feel like I have so much chemicals around me. Whatever. Let's see how it looks. I tried to soak up as much water as I can. It's not bad. It's not as gummy as I thought. It's still like it's not as bad as I thought. So this is it. This is the Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk with Coconut, Australia, and jojoba oil. This is the new thing I got that I'm going to be using. So it's a very light consistency. Very light. Looks like conditioner. Obviously it's a leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to run this through my hair. These bits did okay. You know, it's still weird, but whatever. I'll probably fix that later. I'm not even in the mood anymore. You know how when you like go so hard and research stuff and then you end up being like not in the mood? But look at this. This is really nice. Do you see that? This is beautiful. This gradient is so nice. I did go OD with the blonde, but look how it came out. It's super nice. Well, right now, from where I'm brushing it, looks super nice. See? Look at that. I like how the T14 came out with the little smidge of 050 additive. Just when I started getting used to using Wella, now I'm going to try a whole different brand next time. It's nice. I like the fact that, look, you see? I got my bangs lightened how I wanted it. Wanted. This is how it's looking. Wet. This is how it looks wet. So what I'm gonna do now is let it air dry naturally, and maybe I'll come back and show you what it looks like dry before I style it, and then I'll style it. Because I'm so curious to see how it looks styled. Super curious because it's coming out nice wet. Hi guys, so I'm back. I am so happy with the results. I'm so happy it came out like this, and it's two-tone. I think I OD'd on the blonde. I think I added too much blonde. I was too heavy-handed with the blonde, but it still came out great. You can see the ends, like I wanted, is light and the roots are dark, and it transitioned the way I wanted it to. So this is how it looks. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair usually. It's going to be up like this, and I trimmed off all the frazzled pieces. And the back is, if you can see, it's transitioned too. The back is transitioned. And that's how it looks. And if I wanted to pull my hair up, it's light. It's like a contrast. And if I pull the hair down, you can see, look at the color. Look how nice it came out. Look how nice the blonde came out. It's the Wella T18. I was recommended that from one of my other videos when I used the T18, and people did like said, oh, use T14, and I mixed it last time, but just using it straight up. Oh, and I added some of the color additive. So look at the transition. The bottoms are the blonde that I want, and then it transitions up into the darker, and It looks really nice. I really, really like it. What do you think? See? See the color? I curled it so you could see. So I'm loving it. I'm loving how it came out. It's beautiful. I like it more than the full-on blonde. It just gives this separation to it. I just feel like if this type of style suits me more than the other one I did. So I'm just so happy it came out nice. Everyone likes it that I showed it to. And my mom actually wants me to do her hair now like this in a different way because she has a short pixie cut. So I'm gonna get that done for her soon. And mission complete. It was a success. Yes. If you enjoyed watching this video or if I helped you out in any way, then please give me a thumbs up, like, and be sure to subscribe to see more of me. See you later. Bye.